time for us to move on to our next vowel. The next vowel is, yes, it's I. You guessed it right. I. Do you know the sound of the vowel I? The sound of vowel I is I. Say it with me. I. Once more, it's I. Now let's get to some of the words with I sound. What does a bear look like? He looks ill. Yes, ill. Say it, ill. The bear looks ill. The house made up of ice. Igloo, igloo. This is an igloo. What is it? Igloo. You love taking pictures. Those pictures are images. Images. Picture you take? Images. You love to copy elders, don't you? There's a word. Imitate. Imitate. You love to imitate. When someone does not pay attention, they ignore. Ignore. They ignore us. You already know this word, don't you? This is ink. Where is the tiger? Inside the box. Inside. Inside the box. What do we celebrate on 15th of August? Independence. Independence of our India. Independence. A small child is infant. Infant. You hate this. Injection. Injection. The creepy crawlies in your house? Insects. Insects. They are insects. The fly, the cockroach, insects. Let's start with blending sound. Are you ready to learn blending sound of I? Let's start. The blending sound id, id, id. Some of the words with id sound. Fluid, fluid. Hid, hid. Lid, lid. Kid, kid. The next blending sound is ig, ig, ig. Some of the words with ig sound. Big, big. Wig, wig. Dig, dig. Big, big. The next blending sound is im, im. Some of the words with im sound. Swim, swim. Rim, rim. Brim. Edge of the glass, brim. Dim, dim. After M, it's in, in, in. Some of the words which have in sound. Win, win. pin, pin, spin, spin, bin, bin. The next sound, ip. It's ip. Few words with ip sound. Sip, sip, slip. Ouch! Slip. Dip, dip. Rip, rip. From ip to is, is. Few words with is sound. Tennis, tennis. This, this. Oasis, oasis. Iris, iris. Let's move to the blending sound it. It. Few words with it sound. Hit, hit. Sit, sit. Pit, pit. Zit, zit. Ix, ix. Few words with X sound. Fix, fix. Six. It's a six. Mix, mix. Prefix comes before the word prefix. Ink, ink. Yes, this also is a blending sound. Few words with ink sound. Think, think. Rink, rink. People go ice skating in the rink. Wink, wink. Mink, mink. One more, ing, ing, ing. Some of the words with ing sound. Ring, ring. Sing. I'm not a singer, but sing. Wings. To fly, wings. King, king.
Now, as you have seen that all the words have the sound of I as I. So, this is called the short vowel sound of vowel I. When the letter I makes the phonetic sound of I itself, that is I, then it is called a short vowel sound. I hope, students, the concept is very much clear to you now. Now, it's your task that go to your library, find any book and find out the words which have short vowel sound of I. Write down those words in your notebook. Now, it's practice time. Practice of short vowel sound of I. You have to identify the picture and write its name which has short sound of I. Let's get started. Are you ready? Now, which picture is this? Identify the picture. Yes, you are absolutely right. Kid with the short vowel sound of I. Now, Which animal is this? Identify. Yes, it's pig with a short vowel sound of I. Now identify the next picture. What is this girl doing? Yes, you are right. It's win with a short vowel sound of I. Now identify this number. Absolutely correct. It's number 6 with a short vowel sound of I. That's it. Well done, students. You have done a great job. Thank you and have a great day.